Yes, I beat my score. Oh, okay, let's try this. Boom, 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 boom. Wait a minute, I need to check if this is fake. Okay, so the YouTubers say if I just keep it here, then they lie. Guys, don't trust everything you see on the internet. They lie. Anyways, guys, I play for a football team. This should work. Oh. I got 95, but still. 2 out of 23. Hell, man, we try again. Try again, chat. So, guys, like and sub so we can do live streams with your boy Stan. 16 out of 23. We'll try and do better on the next video.